Okay, guys, if you are going to complete the Nearpod on Jackie Robinson, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the steps of how to get there so that there is no confusion. I have created a bit.ly link that just pretty much shortens what our link is that we are going to. So you're going to type in HTTP and then a colon / bit dot ly slash and then it's an SS Nearpod. That stands for Social Studies Nearpod. And then when you go ahead and go to that, it's going to actually bring you to Nearpod. Another way to get there is nearpod.com, but I've created bit.lys for all of our links just to make it a little easier on the students. Now you go ahead and type in your code right here. It says enter code. Actually, I'm sorry, you typed down here, they changed it a little bit. You're going to go right here for students and you're going to enter this code. The code is HSDXW. And this is the code for everybody that you're going to use. So you're going to go ahead and hit that arrow. And then once that arrow comes, your name, and I'm going to go ahead and just put Miss Hall so that my teacher will know who I am. You don't need to put that optional, and you're going to hit this join session. Go ahead and work through this Nearpod, and as you go through it, you're going to be answering questions and working through Jackie Robinson to kind of find out some information about him. There are a few times in this Nearpod that you'll have to do some activities, like right here, so please make sure you can either just type on the screen, or if you're working on a tablet or device, there will be down here a way that you can pull up a pen or pencil to write. So again, you're going to use your bit.ly link, then you're going to type in the code HSDXW. That's also written on your choice menu board under the number 1 in social studies.